Break ID number 3950. 2018 Leaf Trinity Football 1-box break. This is random hit style. Each spot gets a hit. We just need to find out the order. And that's not it. Come on, catch up with us. There you go. Larry, Michael, Paul, and Rick. That is numerical and alphabetical. We'll find out in what order you get the cards. So, randomize each side 3 times. So the first one will be Larry, then Paul, then Michael, Rick, and Paul. First one is Larry, C.O. Mark Walton with inscription. Number 2, Paul, D.E. Clear, blue parallel, DJ Chark. Paul, D.E. Next one, also clear, Michael, L.U. Marcel Aitman. Number 4, Rick, V.I. 3-color jumbo patch auto, Odin Tate. That's Rick, V.I. And number 5, is auto printing plate, Darius Geis. Number 5, Paul, D.E. Nice card. All right, there's another one of those up for Thursday.